How to add story highlights on Facebook. So if you want to add story highlights on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy, or you can just go with your profile. Tap on your profile and go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and then you can tap on archive. Once you tap on archive, make sure that you're under your stories archive. Once you're under the stories archive, now you just need to simply choose a story that you would like to add to your highlights. So for example, if I choose this story, now you just need to simply go with the highlight option, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on highlight, you can have your existing highlights, or you can just add that to your new highlight. Tap on new, and then you can add a title and the cover, and you can set that to public, and then tap on save, and that will be saved to your highlight. So that's how you can add your story highlights on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.